Welcome to Excel. What are we going to do? It's a secret. What's this? Secret way through or something? Let's check it out. Residential area. There's even a bridge to get across. Look. I don't know where we are. It's like a secret way through to get to Canary Wharf. That's a dead end. I'm thinking we've got to get there somehow. There's all this water in the way. We've got a bridge to cross. We've got bridges to cross. Let's cross them. Let's do this. Let's do this. Happened to our plan today, but we're just following the Docklands Light Railway to another kind of mystery destination, wherever that's going. I wonder where it's leading to. Only things to tell at the other end. Marathon stuff is all laid out already, look. That's it. The Comic Con thing is not here though. Bit late. It's finished now, isn't it? Let's check it out anyway. We're here anyway. Doesn't matter, we're here now. But it's yeah. Pretty awesome. We're in Excel now, look. What are we doing at Excel? What are we doing in there early? It's not Comic Con yet? Yeah. Well, it's a bit early for Comic Con, isn't it? At least you know what the building is look like for Comic Con. Comic Con here in May. I'll be here. Just giving you a sneak peek of what's there. Any posters to do a Comic Con anyway? Because I can't see none. It's all setting up for the London Marathon. It's not launched yet. Here, behind those doors, all the runners just line in, sign in. Isn't it? Right here. But not yet. It's soon. It's coming. Explore, Lee, explore while we're here. Explore Excel. We're exploring Excel. Places where you're not supposed to be, right? Yeah. Exploring Excel. What's here? There's a car park here. I've got the wrong car park. Let people park their cars there. Doesn't matter, you can go in there. Let's do it. It's car park. Let's go. Oh yeah. Thank you. We get a car now. We haven't got a car really. It's underneath Excel, isn't it? Let's go back out. Let's go back inside Excel. Welcome to Excel. There's no one here, look. It's a better reception, look. Bag checking. Check your bag in, check your bag. Check your bag in here, put it in foil. Come and buy my plants. I have all my plants collection. All the plants for sale. All for you sale, once interested. Chilling in Excel, like, you know, relaxing and had enough for the day. We're getting the train back and get out of here. The next time I'll be here in May, Comic Con. On to next time. I'm at a custom house. I just noticed that go through. It's gone. 66767. On the Crossrail branch.